higher education and other department, Sri Kishore Burman. And we have with us DGP Sri Anuragji, Secretary Youth Affairs and Sports Sri Dr. Pradeep Kumar Chakraborty, then IGBSF Tripura Frontier Sri Alok Kumar Chakraborty, Sri Bimal Kumar Bist IG CRPF, Brigadier Monish Rana SM DIG 21 Sector Assam Rifles. Then we have Dr. Vishal Kumar DM and Collector West Tripura, Sri Nomit Pathak SP West, other senior officers of various security forces and army and their family members, and my dear media friends. What a performance we have witnessed. Just imagine. Never I have thought of this kind of performance can be given by our army personnel. Really, I can tell, and we can say that we the Indians are in safe zone, safe hand. And above all, we are in the safe hand of our Honorable Prime Minister, Sri Narendra Modi. Because he has shown what he said during this Operation Sindoor, what our artists already have demonstrated here. And when we see those remembering through this artist performance, really we felt so emotional. I can't express, I don't have any words. Thanks to all the performance here also. What a performance given by this Tamil Nadu culture, Punjabi culture. Then this horrifying, I should say, horrifying performance given by the horrifying performance to the enemies, not to us. We are not worried for that because we are in safe zone and we are protected. We are in safe. I still remember that today's 54th Vijaya Divas 2025. Most probably I was 18 years old, maybe like that. I was in BSc first year at that time in MBB college. Still I remember. And we are the peoples, we have witnessed, we have seen that time, the 1971 war. Here at my age or above my age, we have seen what had happened that time. And that time it was not Bangladesh, it was East Pakistan. After a long time I have seen so many brigades we have in Tripura, but before 71 war, there were number of brigades in Tripura. Now, I extend my heartfelt greetings and warm wishes to all of you on the solemn and proud occasion of the 54th Vijaya Divas. Still I remember, last time also I came, last year also I came here. And most probably I can remember the son of this Parambir Chakra, Lance Nayak Albert Akka. He also came here and he was given the honor from the army and from our civilians, from our civilian society and from our government also. Still, I can remember. And what he said during his speech, that time when he came, I think his age was, as because it is 54th Vijaya Divas. So he was telling that that means his age was about 53 or like that last year. If he came last year, that means 53. So he is when his father laid down his life for the country, his age was only 1 year. He was telling. So those are all emotional memories I still remember. Today we all have gathered here from across the Agartala city or across the Tripura, and really it is an immense happiness and a deep sense of pride to celebrate this moment of historic victory, not only by armies, all of us together we have celebrated. This is very important and I think we are very happy. And what I should say, this is really, I will not forget today's program. 54 years ago in 1971, our Bharat witnessed one of the gravest humanitarian tragedies of our time. And during that time, the Bangladesh Mukti Force, they were trained in Tripura by the armies. Everybody knows it, by our security forces. And people from the then Pakistan, East Pakistan, and now Bangladesh, they used large number of people entered the Tripura. I can remember, I knew some of the people. They were the classmates of my elder brother, and one of the men was MNA. MNA means MP of that East Pakistan, and some of the these reporters along with him, they also came, and they stayed in our house, at our house, for about 9 months, and we were very happy to welcome them, and we have given shelter, we have given this fooding, and really it is not like that they are the burden for us. They were not our burden, as if now the Bangladesh wanted to be free from Pakistan. So I think all over the India, we are the third smallest state in the country. But what we had done, still the people of now Bangladesh, they remember. Still they remember. This is for civilians like me. But what our army have done, that cannot be forgotten. This is very important, and because of that, we have gathered here to celebrate them, to give them a salute. That what have not done for us. Even they have showed their courages in Operation Sindoor. So what is my impression? The war of the era, in this era, it is something different. At the border, people were waiting. Where is the artillery center? Where is the army? Nothing were there. So we had S-400. Through S-400, so air defenders. Through this, and technology has been so high now, and using drone drone technology completely changed, I think, to fight against the enemies. Today, of course, I should tell that what our army personnel they have shown, their performance, that nobody in the world they will dare to show their red eyes to our armies. That I can give you the assurance. Nobody will dare what they have showed. What they have showed, it is, I think, the tip of the iceberg. There were so many they have, writing technology, right from technology to, I think, sky is the limit. And it is because of the blessings of our Honorable Prime Minister. Previously, we had seen what had happened. Our soldiers were killed, and they have already cut the head portion and kept in our country. And we have seen before Honorable Prime Minister, no government dare to do or say something. Only for, but that's all. But this time though we have seen that what he said, मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं, घर में घुस के इन लोगों को मारूंगा. और वो जैसे कहते हैं वही ऑपरेशन सिंदूर दिखाया, और दिखाया नहीं. अब ये मेरे ख्याल से पूरा वर्ल्ड में ये एक मैं समझता हूँ जिंदगी भर सभी देश याद रखेगा इंडिया के पास क्या है, ये मैं तो कह सकता हूँ. और मैं आज at that critical moment, still I remember that when there was shelling from East Pakistan side, that's because I said that time I was very much young. So now and then they have started this East Pakistan, from East Pakistan, this Pakistani soldier, they had in different occasions they have fired this shell and all these things. So many people were injured, some of them already have died, like that. So we are waiting what our army is doing, when the people will come. And we are waiting, and suddenly we have seen this artillery, these things, and this 73 mountain brigade already have come here, and we are so happy. Then we have welcomed them. Some of them we have seen, the very young officers also we have seen. So this is the entry point. And after that, when through this Akhaura border they have entered from three sides. One is attacked from our Indian side. So still I remember. And our this Parambir Chakra, Lance Nayak Elba Takka, what he has done already, that also we have seen. He has made the way to enter. In Ganganagar, he has laid down his life, the history we know. So this is the courage of our Army, Navy and Air Force. I salute to them on this occasion. I need not say anything. I will only tell that you are all our mentors for the protection of the civilians, and we are in safe hand. We are in safe hand, I should say. And with this, I would like to conclude my speech. And again, I extend my heartfelt greetings and warm wishes to all of you present here, and particularly this 73 Infantry Brigade of Indian Army. Thank you.